The following contest is a tornado tag team match. Introducing first, from parts unknown, weighing in at 294 pounds, Conquer.
Gentlemen, this has all the makings of an all-time classic match, and I fully expect it to deliver on that promise. A competitor who always has his game face on, ready for a major battle.
And his partner, from parts unknown, weighing in at 301 pounds, Cindy.
Just look at the swagger on display. I love it.
Swagger? Really, Saxton? You know a number of people in the back just despise this superstar.
Well, the WWE Universe clearly disagrees with you, Corey.
Oh, and what else is new? A man who elevates his game every week. He is competing at his highest level yet.
And from Cherry Hill, New Jersey, weighing in at 275 pounds, the Assassin, John Moore.
The WWE Universe has been counting the days, hours, and minutes for this match to start, and the countdown is almost over.
He says it's all about dominance tonight and plans on showing why everyone backstage should be scared.
He's no longer known as the Lock, but he's as dominant as ever.
And from Newark, New Jersey, weighing in at 256 pounds, the Chosen One, King Moore.
Only time will tell if the superstar will stand the test of time in sports entertainment.
Seems more like a flash in WWE's pan to me. Time to see what Tavish's prized pupil is really made of.
It's going to be hard to keep an eye on all the action as things begin to get hectic in the ring.
Will these teams be able to adapt to the rules? Style points won't matter here. The team coming in looking for a knockdown, drag-out fight has the right attitude.
Oh, man, what a boot.
And a well-executed move we just saw there.
A little thunder roll.
And what a maneuver we just saw there.
Oh, look at this power. This is unholy. Look at that for reps.
There he goes, right into the corner.
Muay Thai knee strikes. My goodness, is this even legal?
I don't think so. Oh, look at this ruthlessness in the bottom turnbuckle.
Shoulders down. Not even letting the ref get to the 2 count.
Hey, Byron, just like you. Bankrupt.
Oh, no.
This match grinded him down a little. Hooked up.
DDT.
Just one right after the other. Can't be stopped. Blocked the effort and cut them off with a shot to the gut. All right, back to it. Returning to the ring.
Shaking power slam.
Held in a perilous position.
Cross slam. Knee left. From behind. Back suplex.
Oh, this is not good at all. The pendulum backbreaker stretch.
Uh-oh, this is not going to end well. Crash landing. Powerbomb.
He's looking a little off balance.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm. Stretching and tearing at all the ligaments in the leg.
Hammerlock now. He'll into the ring.
Oh, look at this here, guys. Look at this.
Back suplex into a powerbomb. My goodness. Uh-oh.
Thinking pays off.
Look at this. Just stop after stop after stop.
Oh, this is going to be ugly, guys. Look out.
And did you hear the impact of that?
German suplex, but that's not all.
Into a ripcord lariat. What a combination.
Oh, my goodness.
This is it. And this has got to be it. And a kick out at 2.
Really had less than a second to stay alive there. How in the world did he kick out?
Interesting. There's the...
Oh my! Into a driver.
He's in a little bit of trouble now. He leaves the ring and there's no countouts in this one.
He wants it one more time.
Will it be? Makes the cover. Oh, kicks out.
Well, I thought that was game over.
Pure guts to kick out there.
Big move, but it's still unable to end this.
Hoisting their opponent up.
Oh, he knew what was coming.
We are seeing a next-level performance from these competitors tonight.
They've shown a lot of resiliency. You have to give them that. Oh, saw it coming. Ooh.
A little thunder roll.
And that was a well-executed attack.
Both wrists captured. And
That was nasty.
That is something else. Rough landing.
He's looking shaky at best now.
these are dire straits.
That's insane.
Punishing power slam.
Diving corkscrew moonsault. Taking a moment to let the crowd know how much he appreciates them.
This is a very powerful. He's going to the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window.
And he's still in the game.
He is just barely still in the fight. I don't know how many more times he's going to be able to kick out after that.
That was too close for comfort.
Oh, my goodness.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Hey, Byron.
Uh-oh.
Big forearm.
Oh, spike face first.
And the hits to the core keep coming.
With power on the gut-wrench suplex.
The WWE Universe giving him an extra shot of adrenaline.
Lands face first.
Oh, what an atomic drop.
And a senton! This one is headed outside, guys. Super kick!
Hoping to end it here.
And finally, he picks up the victory.
Here are your winners.
An incredible win in this tornado tag match.
I was so impressed with how well these guys adapted to the tornado tag stipulation.